So we're here today with Rob Long from Iseli Nursery, and yes, we are at Iseli Nursery. And I've talked about this plant before in the past, and I thought it really fitting that I have Rob, who's been here for 21 years and been in horticulture his whole life, to talk about this plant. And we have here, Rob.
What we have here is a Juniperus chinensis Trautman. Was introduced by Herbert Trautman out of Wisconsin, and it is a well-behaved plant that is a upright narrow, will be approximately 15 foot tall and between 4 and 5 foot wide at the base, and it is a wonderful substitution for an Italian cypress in the garden.
Plenty hardy?
Very hardy.
Full sun?
Full sun.
And many of you may have heard of Taylor. I think Rob and I and Guy Romano prefer this plant to Taylor. Would we not?
I agree.
Okay, we have a consensus. So, tight spot, Italian cypress substitute, Juniper Trautman. Thank you, Rob.